Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Edutech. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching some GK quiz and their answers. Very important questions. And listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. When was the GST system of taxation implemented in India? First option June 1, 2019. B. July 1, 2018. C. July 1, 2017, and D. August 15, 2018. Option C is correct. 1 July 2017. On which date Chartered Accountants CA Day is celebrated in India? The option A is the correct answer. July 1. Next question. Bakaram Airbus, which was recently in news, is located in which country? It is located in Afghanistan. Option B, Bakaram Airbus. Okay. Fourth question. Which country topped the Sustainable Development Report 2021? Option D, Finland. This country topped the Sustainable Development Report 2021. Next question. As per the United District Information System of Education Report for 2019-20, which state has the highest ratio of female teachers to male teachers? Option Option C, Kerala. Next question. Usha River, which was recently making news, is a tributary of which of these rivers? Option D, Ravi. Which is the highest ranked Indian city in Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021? Correct answer is Bangalore. B. Option B. In which city India's first agriculture export facilitation center has been established? Option A, Pune. Tiangong is the flagship space station of which country? This flagship space station is China. This is the right option. Option B. Next question. Which union ministry is associated with the Trafficking in Persons Prevention, Cure and Rehabilitation Bill 2021? Option B. Ministry of Women and Child Development. This is the correct option and right answer. So, I have completed some quiz here, given some answers for all questions. Now I am completing my lecture. Namaskar.